Alright, class, today we are delving into the fascinating world of the internet. Get ready to embark on a digital adventure as we explore what the internet is and how it works.
The internet is like a vast network of interconnected computers, allowing us to access information and communicate with people from all around the globe.
But how does the internet actually work?
Think of it like a giant spider web, with each strand representing a connection between computers. When you want to access something online, your computer sends a request through these connections to retrieve the information.
The internet has revolutionized the way we live, providing us with endless opportunities to learn, connect, and explore.
What can we do on the internet?
That's the exciting part. Let's dive into some of the amazing uses of the internet. From researching and learning to entertainment, communication, and even virtual tours, the internet offers a world of possibilities at your fingertips.
Wow, I never realized the internet could do so much.
Indeed, it's truly remarkable. Now, let's discuss what you need to connect to the internet. Devices, internet service providers, modems, routers, Wi-Fi, these are all essential elements that enable us to access the wonders of the internet.
Once we're connected, how do we navigate the digital world?
Excellent question. Understanding terms like websites, URLs, browsers, and search engines will make exploring the internet much easier and more enjoyable.
What about email? How does that work?
Email is another fantastic feature of the internet. With email, you can stay connected with friends and family, share photos and documents, and engage in digital conversations from anywhere in the world.
The internet opens up a world of possibilities, connecting us in ways we never thought possible. With its vast resources and endless opportunities, the internet continues to shape the way we live, learn, and communicate. So, get ready to explore and discover all that the digital world has to offer.